Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You.
And I'm Alice. Hi, everyone.
Alice, quick question. Yesterday at work, did someone ask you to do something and you said yes, but you really wanted to say no?
Oh, wow. Yes, every single day, James. My boss asks me to stay late, and I just say, sure, no problem. But inside, I feel so very tired and a little angry.
And after you said yes, what happened?
I went home late, I could not move, and I thought, why do I always do this?
That feeling has a name. It is called silent resentment. Resentment means you feel bad inside for a long time. You say yes, you smile, but inside something hurts.
That is exactly it. You feel bad inside for a long time. Yes, that is me.
And here is the big question today. Why do smart, hard-working people always feel like they lose?
Yes, I study hard, I work hard, but I always feel like I lose. Why?
Because nobody taught you the 3 tools.
3 tools?
3 simple English tools for any pressure situation, at work, at home, anywhere. And today, a man from about 1800 years ago will teach us.
1800 years ago? Who?
His name is Zhuge Liang.
Zhuge Liang from 3 Kingdoms.
Yes, and his story will change how you speak English forever.
Okay, now I really want to know. Tell me everything.
Listen carefully. This is important for your English. About 1800 years ago in ancient China, Zhuge Liang is in very serious trouble. His city has almost no soldiers, and the enemy general Sima Yi is coming with 150,000 soldiers.
150,000? Oh no, that is so many.
Zhuge Liang has 2 choices, run away or fight and die.
So what did he do?
He did something very strange. He opened the city gates wide open. He sat on top of the wall, and he played music, calm and slow.
Sorry, he played music in front of 150,000 soldiers?
Yes, no fear on his face, no soldiers visible, just calm.
What happened?
Sima Yi looked at this. He stopped. He thought, this is too calm. This must be a trap. So he turned his 150,000 soldiers around and walked away.
He won by playing music. James, I still do not fully understand. How is this possible?
Good. Let me explain simply. Think about a cat and a dog. When a small dog barks and shakes, what does a bigger dog do?
It attacks more?
Yes, it sees fear. It pushes harder. But when a cat just sits still and stares with zero fear.
Oh, even a big dog gets nervous.
Exactly. Calm is not weakness. Calm is the most powerful signal you can send.
So Zhuge Liang was the cat.
He was always the cat. And today, I give you his 3 tools. These are not just English phrases. They are his 3 secrets sitting on that wall.
Okay, I am so ready.
Tool 1. Buy time. Before Zhuge Liang played one single note, he paused, he breathed, he made his mind calm. He did not rush. That pause was not weakness. It was his plan.
So the pause itself sent a message.
Yes. And in English, when your brain suddenly stops, most people say, That is the shaking dog.
Oh no, I do that all the time.
Everyone does, until today. Instead, say this. Repeat after me. Let me think about it.
Let me think about it.
Calm, slow, strong. One more. Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Perfect. Now let us practice right now. I am your boss. Ready? Alice, I need you to work this Saturday.
Give me a second.
Yes. How did that feel?
Wow, it felt strong. Not rude, just calm. But James, what if my mouth still does not move, even if I know the words?
Great question. Very real question. Here's the secret. You do not need to feel calm inside. You just need to sound calm outside. The words do the work for you. Say, give me a second, even if your heart is beating fast. The other person only hears your words, not your heartbeat.
Oh, wow. I always thought I had to feel calm first.
No. Act calm first, feel calm second. That is the Zhuge Liang effect. Your short silence feels very long to the other person, and in that silence, power shifts to you.
This is a superpower, and it costs nothing.
Nothing at all. Quick question for everyone listening right now. Think about your life. Where do you freeze? At work? With your family? On a phone call in English? Write one word in the comments below. Just one word. I read every single comment. I will reply to you personally.
Please tell us. I want to know your story too.
Tool 2. Take control. After that long pause, Zhuge Liang did not wait for the enemy to decide. He created the situation. He controlled it. He led.
He was in control even though he had no soldiers.
Yes, because control is not about having power. It is about framing.
Framing? I do not get it. What does that mean?
Good. Let me make it very simple. Imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter comes and says, "What do you want?" Big question, hard to answer. You feel pressure.
Yes, I always say, anything is fine.
Now, imagine the waiter says, "Would you like the pasta or the salad?"
Oh, that is much easier. I just pick one.
Yes, the waiter controlled the conversation. You chose, but you chose from his menu. That is framing. You set the choices. The other person picks.
Oh, so I become the waiter, not the confused customer.
Perfect. That is exactly it. And in English, the tool is simple. Give 2 options. Repeat after me. Is Tuesday better or Thursday?
Is Tuesday better or Thursday?
Or say this. Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Now practice. I am your coworker. I want to meet you. Hey, when can we meet to talk about the project?
Is Wednesday better or Friday for you?
Excellent. What just happened?
I did not say, I do not know. I did not say, whenever you want. I gave choices, but they were my choices.
Yes, you led the dance.
But James, what if the other person does not like my choices?
Great question. Very real situation. If they do not like your choices, they will say so. And that is fine. You simply offer again. How about Monday then? But here's the key. You are still leading. They follow you. You do not follow them.
Oh, so even if they say no to my choices, I am still in control.
Exactly. You are always the waiter, not the customer.
Small phrase, big change. I trust it.
Tool 3. The soft no. This is the tool most people need the most, and the hardest one, especially for people in Japan, Korea, and Taiwan.
Why especially us?
Because from a young age you learned one rule. Saying no is selfish. Saying no breaks relationships.
Yes, my mother always said, just be kind, do not cause trouble.
That teaching comes from a beautiful place, but it creates a very painful pattern. You say yes, you feel bad inside. You say yes again, you feel worse. And one day,
You suddenly get very angry or you just quietly disappear from the relationship.
exactly. I call this the yes trap. You keep saying yes, but inside you are slowly breaking.
The yes trap. Oh no, that is my whole life, James.
Did Zhuge Liang say yes to everything?
No, he would never survive that way.
He knew what to protect, his city, his people, his boundaries, and he said no with total calm, no anger, no apology, no drama.
How do I do that in English?
3 phrases, and I want you to know something important first. Native speakers use these phrases every single day, at work, with friends, with family. They're completely normal. They are not rude. They are honest, and honest is respectful.
Okay, I feel better already. Let me hear them.
Repeat after me. That does not work for me.
That does not work for me.
I am not comfortable with that. This one is a little long, but say it slowly. It will come.
I am not comfortable with that.
Good. One more. Not right now.
Not right now.
Now practice. I am your colleague. Hey, can you cover my weekend shift? I have plans.
That does not work for me.
Perfect. How did that feel?
A little scary. My heart was beating fast.
Good. Remember tool 1?
Act calm first, feel calm second.
Exactly. Say the words, your body will follow. That small scared feeling is just your old habit, the habit of always saying yes. And habits can change.
My old habit is changing. I like that idea.
One more thing. This is important. When you say no with calm words, you are not being mean. You are being honest. A calm no is one of the kindest things you can say. Kind to yourself and kind to the other person.
A calm no is kind. I am writing that down right now.
Okay, let us bring it all together. Zhuge Liang sat on that wall with nothing. No army, no weapons, but he had 3 things: patience, control, and clear boundaries, and he won.
And now we have 3 tools.
Yes, let me hear them from you, Alice.
Tool 1. Buy time. Let me think about it. Give me a second. Tool 2. Take control. Be the waiter. Give 2 choices. You set the menu. You lead. Tool 3. The soft no. Native speakers use this every day. That does not work for me. I am not comfortable with that, not right now. Big lesson? Saying yes when you mean no slowly hurts you. Now we have tools to stop that. Calm is power. Act calm first. Feel calm second.
Alice, that was completely perfect.
Oh, and everyone, the membership PDF has all 3 tools with extra practice sentences. I use it every morning, even on the train. It really helps. Trust me.
The link is below. Quick to join and worth it. If today helped you even a little, please like this video and subscribe. Your support keeps this going for everyone who needs it. One last thing. Today, just try tool 1 one time. When someone asks you something, pause and say, "Give me a second." Just that. Start there. Small step, real change.
You can do it. I know you can.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.